Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do this with a Jingle Bells. So let me make this bigger. All right, first off, we are going to look at our key signature. We are in either G major or E minor. So first thing that we're gonna do, looking at our first note, we're going, well, it's a B. That could be either E minor or G. So let's look at the last note. It's a G, and it's likely to be in G major because of that. Okay, so now that we've got that settled, let's write out our G major scale. We've got G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and then G. Not that this really matters because right now in your piano class, you're using the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5/7 chord. It's okay, we're gonna write it. It's just a good thing to get used to. Okay, so then we write our triads. G, GBD. Hello, Morgan. So we got GBD. A, C, E, B, D, F sharp, C, E, G, D, F sharp, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, and we're back to GBD. Okay, now we've got our major 1, minor 2, minor 3, major 4, 5, 6, 7 diminished, and 1. Okay, now the ones you're pretty much going to be using in this piece are going to be your 1, your 4, and your 5. Okay, now when we start off, Jingle Bells, that B that we're starting with, put my little pointer on. So with our B here, where does that exist? In our 1, our 4, and our 5. Pretty much with the 1 chord, with G major. So we're gonna put 1, and it stays the same. Great. And then we have a lot of the G triad, B, D, G. That's probably G again. We could probably keep G for a while. Let's see if that sounds good. Here we go. We're gonna do. No problems yet, okay? So we're doing good. Now, let's look at our next one. We have C. Oh, fiddlesticks. There we go. So we have C here. Which of our chords down here have a C? Not the 1 chord. The 4 chord does, and the 5 chord doesn't really. So we are probably going to choose 4 here. So let's put the 4 and C. So here we go. Let's see, what are we gonna do? We've got, and then we start on, because we end up on B for most of the measure. Let's say that our point where we're going to write the chord where it changes is going to be here. And then we have B's again. That's going to be a G major because with our 1, 4, and 5, that's all we got. So let's put our G major right here. Put a key change or a chord change, not a key change. Let's see. Now we've got... What a strange thing. That doesn't sound really good on G. I don't like that at all for our 1-horse open sleigh. Even though it starts on a B, it's almost like it feels more like we're leading towards the A's in the middle of the measure. And then we've got A and D here. Yeah, we have A right there. That might be the thing. That might be what we're going to do there. So let's use... a 5 or a 5/7 here. Let's do, oh, I've been writing the Roman numerals below. Let me keep with what I was doing. I'm gonna do a D and a 5 And we're going to keep this as a D and a 5. So let's see. We've got from Oh What Fun. And then we're back to Jingle Bells, where we have our B. We want to put that G there again and keep it. And then we have the same thing we had before with Jingle All the Way. Jingle All the Way. Then we have our C's again. Oh, what fun, with our 4 chord. Use your brain, Morgan. There we go. That's not a 5, that's a 1. And then we have, we have a little bit of everything on this last bit. So let me go from the Jingle Bells again. Then the oh, what fun it is to ride in a, and then what do we do? Oh, we just do the 5-7. That'll be great. The D, it's actually a D7. I don't know if we're gonna learn this in theory here in a hot second, but we're gonna want D7, which is our 5-7. And then we're gonna end on G, and that's our 1 chord. Okay, so there you go. So we just harmonized that.